Welcome to InkBird Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a sous vide cooking system that promises to bring restaurant-quality results to your kitchen with remarkable ease. We're looking at the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker Bundle, which isn't just a cooker, but a complete starter kit designed to get you sous viding from day one. This bundle is positioned as an all-in-one solution, and that's a bold claim. Let's break down what's inside and see if it lives up to the hype. First, the core of the system is the 1000-watt sous vide cooker itself. This unit features a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, which is a pretty significant feature for a home appliance. It means you can download the INKBIRD Pro app and control your sous vide from your smartphone, whether you're in the next room or away from home. This offers a level of convenience and remote monitoring that's hard to ignore. The app connectivity is designed to allow you to set and monitor the temperature and cooking times remotely. Imagine preparing your meal, setting it to cook, and then receiving a notification on your phone when it's ready. That kind of flexibility is a game changer for busy home cooks. Accuracy is paramount in sous vide, and the 1000-watt heating element is designed for hyper-fast water heating, ensuring you get to your desired temperature quickly. The cooker supports precise timer and temperature settings, which is crucial for achieving that perfect doneness every time. The beauty of sous vide lies in its ability to consistently deliver predictable results, and this cooker seems to be built with that in mind. Safety is also a key consideration. The cooker includes protection and temperature alarms. Notably, it will stop working and alert you if the water level drops below the minimum scale line. This is a very important safety feature, preventing the unit from overheating or damaging itself. This cooker is intended for a wide range of foods, from beef and chicken to pork, veggies, and seafood. The promise is no more overcooking, and that's a goal every home chef strives for. The starter kit aspect of this bundle is also a major selling point. It includes 30 reusable sous vide bags in 3 different sizes, a hand pump for vacuum sealing, 6 sealing clips, 5 sous vide bag clips, and 2 replacement air valves. This means you don't need to go out and buy a separate vacuum sealer or bags to get started. The inclusion of reusable bags is a nice touch for both cost savings and environmental consciousness. Using the system is described as easy. You attach the cooker to your pot with the clamp, fill the pot with water, seal your food in a bag, and submerge it. Then, you set the temperature and timer, either on the unit or through the app. The app also comes with recipes, and the ability to create personalized custom recipes is a welcome addition for those who want to experiment. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the all-in-one bundle is fantastic for beginners. You have everything you need to start sous viding right out of the box. The Wi-Fi connectivity and app control offer a high degree of convenience and modern functionality. The 1000-watt heating power is robust, and the safety features, like the low water alarm, are reassuring. The inclusion of reusable bags is also a definite plus. Now, for potential cons. While the hand pump is functional, it's not as efficient or as airtight as a dedicated electric vacuum sealer. For those who plan to sous vide frequently, they might eventually want to upgrade to an electric sealer for convenience and a more secure seal. Also, the app experience, while generally positive, can sometimes be a point of contention with smart home devices. We'd need to see how robust and user-friendly the INKBIRD Pro app truly is in practice. Finally, while the bundle provides a good starting point, serious sous vide enthusiasts might find themselves wanting more specialized bags or accessories down the line. In conclusion, the INKBIRD Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker Bundle is an extremely compelling package for anyone looking to get into sous vide cooking. It thoughtfully includes all the essential components to start immediately, and the Wi-Fi integration adds a significant layer of modern convenience. The powerful heating, precise temperature control, and safety features make it a solid performer. If you're looking for a user-friendly and comprehensive entry into the world of sous vide, this bundle is definitely worth serious consideration. Link in the description.